Are you looking for a mini blender that can help you make delicious and nutritious smoothies? If so, you'll want to check out the best mini blender for smoothies. Not only are these blenders small and easy to transport, but they also produce incredibly smooth drinks that taste great. So let's get started with the list. List number 1, Hamilton Beach Personal Blender. The Hamilton Beach Personal Blender is a compact, easy-to-handle blender that quickly and efficiently blends frozen fruits, vegetables and more into frosty drinks in a snap. This blender offers superior blending power with its durable stainless steel blades that grab your ingredients without adding any heat. It's safe for slow cooking and can be used on the stovetop as well. The 14 ounces BPA-free travel jar comes with an additional lid for use as a go-cup. The Hamilton Beach Blender has been trusted by consumers for decades, making it perfect for your kitchen or office. Blend up your favorite protein-packed smoothies and rich frozen drinks with this Hamilton Beach Personal Blender. Get the maximum nutrient extraction from whole foods while choosing your own favorite fresh and frozen ingredients. Blend fruit smoothies, shakes and your favorite icy drinks right in the 14 ounces BPA-free travel jar, then grab it and go. The blender jar comes with a travel lid to double as a go-cup. It's portable, lightweight and fits in most car cup holders. Durable stainless steel blades power through ice, frozen fruits and leafy greens for consistently smooth results. Quickly prepare smoothies, shakes, icy drinks, and more by just pressing the button. It's so easy. List number 2, NutriBullet Personal Blender for Shakes. The NutriBullet is the fastest, easiest solution for making nutrient-packed smoothies. The NutriBullet is a high-performance personal blender perfect for your active lifestyle. With powerful 600-watt motor and refined nutrient extraction blades, it blends up to 28 ounces, 1 liter, of fresh smoothies in under 30 seconds. It lets you easily create delicious soups and shakes with ease, all without straining your back or arm muscles. Smoothies made with the NutriBullet are loaded with fiber, vitamins and minerals that help support heart health, digestion and weight management. Make the most of your favorite foods with the NutriBullet Personal Blender. Its stainless steel blades use cyclonic action to break down tough ingredients, so you can create smoothies packed with super nutritious, whole foods such as berries, spinach or nuts. Plus, its BPA-free plastic cups are durable and convenient to use over and over again. Simple, intuitive design makes this a device you'll use every day. Just push, twist and blend. Yes, it's that easy. Simply twist off the blades, rinse with soap and water, and put the cups on the top rack of the dishwasher. That's health without the hassle. Blade on the NutriBullet also doubles as a cap. You essentially seal the ingredients in the vessel by placing the blade on top of the vessel prior to blending. List number 3, Synced Personal Blender Smoothie Blender for Milkshake. Synced Personal Blender is a compact, easy to carry and use blender. The cup is made of the material Triton normally used in infant items. With the silica gel seal rings inside and the cover outside, the fitting lid is designed to be double-deck leak and dust-proof. Therefore, the cup can be stored in a bag or purse without spilling. A slag remover is also included. After juicing, put the remover on the brim of the cup. You can enjoy a perfect glass of juice because the juice froth will have been effectively removed. This is a personal blender that can mix cream, milk, juice, pudding or other food. The blender is made of Triton material, and the mixer cap is double-deck leak-proof. With an ergonomic handle on the left and right parts and sharp blades design, you can use it to prepare many things every day. With the silica gel seal rings inside and the cover outside, the fitting lid is designed to be double-deck leak-free. You can then store it in a bag or purse without spilling. The powerful motor together with 4 stainless steel mixing blades of the mini blender can make smoother juice and crushed vegetables. With the special 3-dimensional structure, the machine performance is highly improved so tastier and smoother juice can be made. List number 4. Personal USB rechargeable juice cup for smoothie. This handy personal USB rechargeable juice cup for smoothie is made of the same Triton material as our baby bottles. You can drink it, like a normal 380 ml water bottle, through the mouth on the bottle cap, or just pop in the silicone straw and enjoy. Don't have to prepare another cup to fill after mixing. You can enjoy fresh smoothie wherever you want. Rechargeable blender can also be used as a cup. The lid has directly drinking function. Don't have to prepare another cup to fill the drink after mixing. You can enjoy fresh smoothie wherever and whenever you want. Built in 6 pieces SUS 304 blades in 3D and rotation speed up to 22,000 revolutions per minute. The portable blender can easily liquidize anything including small ice cubes in no time. Built-in rechargeable 4000 mAh lithium-ion battery, the blender body is made of the same Triton material as the baby bottle. Our products not only built-in mechanical safety device that if the components are not properly assembled, but also 100% overcharged, overheated protection for batteries, extending the life of it. One-button blending, cleaning, just put some water in the cup, press the button to start automatic cleaning. Portable blender cup is detachable, easy to clean, easy to flush. Remember not to wash the bottom fuselage. The full blender is all about the size of a water bottle. List number 5. Redmond Powerful Smoothie Blender. The Room 1210 Smoothie Blender has a powerful motor and unique design. It comes with 2 speed and pulse modes. Speed 1 is suitable for blending soft foods like banana, strawberries. Speed 2 is suitable for crushing hard foods, such as carrots, celery, broccoli. Mode P can quickly switch to the highest speed. Never run the blender for more than 1 minute at a time, as this can cause the motor to overheat. The powerful motor of the Redmond Personal Blender is designed to effortlessly crush hard food and soft fruit, also suitable for making stuffy smoothies. The machine has 2 speed settings and pulse function to make it easier to mince foods such as broccoli. The 6-point blades design ensures that a lot more juice and pulp are extracted from the fruits and vegetables, helping you obtain delicious smoothies. For more than 20 years, Redmond products have been recognized as the pioneer of home appliances. In addition to professional kitchen equipment and commercial equipment, we have created a range of home appliances for you to enjoy a comfortable and convenient life at home. Unique retro-style design personal blender with 3 color to choose from. It comes with 2 20 ounces BPA-free food-grade portable cups with handle and spout. Meet the needs of gym or travel.